Hi everyone, and welcome to Cindy's Certified Recipes. If I told you I was cooking something super healthy today, what would you think of? Broccoli? Kale maybe? How about apples? Stick around, you don't want to miss this. My family has been stewing apples for decades. Stewed apples have so many health benefits, like supporting your digestion, keeping blood sugar in check, and heart health, to name a few. Apples are also high in pectin, which helps improve your gut barrier. Look for organic, unwaxed apples, because you're going to want to leave that skin on. The skin is rich with quercetin, an antioxidant with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Feel free to stew up a big batch, because they freeze well in individual servings. I like to use a mixture of apples for a bit more complex flavor, but I keep the ingredients pretty simple. Feel free to add additional ingredients such as ghee, coconut oil, ginger, and/or chia seeds to amp up those additional health benefits. After adding the apples to a medium saucepan, add a half a cup of filtered water. Then add a quarter cup raw unfiltered honey. Add a half a teaspoon of cloves. Then 1 teaspoon of allspice. And a tablespoon of cinnamon. Place on high heat and give it a stir. Put on the cover and wait for a good boil. Once it comes to a boil, stir and reduce the heat to a simmer. Stir occasionally while it's simmering. I like to cook mine about 40 minutes until it's reduced. That looks about right. I'm making these apples today as a special dessert. So while the apples were stewing, I whipped up a simple batch of my flaky cinnamon crisps, like deconstructed pie. I'll put a link to my YouTube Shorts video on the end card. Be sure to check it out. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, or a snack. Stewed apples are great by themselves or with just about anything, so stop walking past those apples. They're a superfood all-star. And remember, if it's time-tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy certified.